Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. May salam and peace upon you, and may salam and peace in all the things that you do. This is our last session, last lesson regarding alphabets. And our last lesson starts with Noon. Noon. Noon and Lam, both of them, they have almost same point of pronunciation. So Noon, the sound of Noon comes out from the part of our hard palate, from the front part of our hard palate. Noon, Noon, Noon. Repeat after me. Noon. And next is wow. Wow. So simple. Like in English, we have wow. So in Arabic, wow. Wow. So wow, the sound of wow pronounced by rounding of both lips. Wow. 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 Right? Next is ha. Ha. The sound of ha comes out from the bottom of our throat. Ha, ha, ha. And then there is hamza, and the sound of hamza comes out from the bottom too, from bottom of our throat. Hamza, 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 ha, and hamza. They have same point. Like noon, wow, ha, hamza, and then ya comes. So sound of ya and the point of pronunciation is middle of the tongue and middle of the palate. Ya, ya, ya. And I also told you about the point of sheen and jim. So sheen, jim, and ya, all of them, they have same point of pronunciation. Ya, ya, ya. Repeat after me. Ya and ya. Okay, so this is how we can pronounce, we can say these alphabets, and I have told you and taught you how to read them all. And I also told you about the makharij. Makharij, it is an Arabic typical term which is used for points, for the points where the sounds of these letters come out. So I also told you about the points, about the makharij, and about the sound, how we can make sounds correctly. So now repeat after me all of them. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, ذال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا يا. This is how you can say all of them. So the more you practice, the better you get, insha'Allah ta'ala. I hope you people got this. Keep remembering me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.